morning, boys and girls. We are ready for our reading book, and the title of our book today is called Every Season. Here's the front cover, Every Season. The author is Shelley Rotner and Anne Love Woodhull, and it says the illustrator is also Shelley Rotner, but it said she did photographs. That means instead of drawing pictures or painting pictures, she took pictures with a camera when she made this book. So there are real photographs of real people. All right, so our title is Every Season. Boys and girls, we have 4 seasons in our year, every year. We have spring. Here's a picture of spring, the first picture. Summer, where the little girl is eating watermelon. Fall, where the boy is playing in the leaves. And winter, where you see the snow. Every season. Let's learn some more about our seasons. I love spring, when grass grows green. Speckled eggs fill woven nests, showers soak, seeds sprout, flowers bloom. So those are some things that happen in the spring. Crocuses pop, daffodils open, then lilacs spread their sweet smell. Salamanders slither out from under mossy rocks. Ducklings follow, all in a row. In the spring, we think about things growing, blooming. We hold rabbits, lambs, puppies, and chicks. Spring is the time to dig and plant. But then, summer comes, and I love summer too. The sun shines strong and hot. You can wear a straw hat or go barefoot in the grass. Bees sip, frogs hop, butterflies flutter and land. We taste strawberries, lemonade, watermelon, ice cream. Shorebirds scurry and peck. I hear the roar of ocean waves. Summer is the time to splash and swim. Boys and girls, in the summer, it's usually warm and hot. Think about being outside, maybe going on vacations or being at the pool or the beach, playing outside. But then autumn comes, and autumn is another word for fall. I love autumn too. The wind whips, seeds scatter. We pull up our hoods and zip up our jackets. Leaves turn, and orange, maple, red oak, yellow ash. We pick pumpkins, taste apples, pears, and pies. Geese honk and head south. Chipmunks store their acorns in a secret spot. Autumn is the time to rake and jump. So autumn or fall is when it starts getting a little bit cooler, starts getting dark a little bit earlier. The leaves change colors and fall off the trees. You think about apples and pumpkin patches. But then winter comes, and I love winter too. The cold brings icicles and snowflakes that swirl. We make snow angels and sip hot chocolate. Horses grow thick coats to keep warm. Chickadees search for seeds. Snow blankets, branches, and buds. Animals leave their tracks because you can see them in the snow. We wear hats, mittens, scarves, and skates. Winter is the time to coast and slide. So we know what wintertime is, boys and girls. That is right now. Sometimes we see snow in the winter. It's usually cold in the winter. It gets dark early, and we need our coats and hats and gloves. But then spring comes, and I love spring. All right, boys and girls, so that book was about our 4 seasons. They had used actual photographs for their pictures instead of having someone draw them. And our 4 seasons are spring, summer, fall, or you can call it autumn, and then winter. So that book was called Every Season. I'll take you back to the beginning of it so you can see the cover. Every Season. So they had spring, summer, they called it autumn. I usually call it fall. You can call it either one. And then winter. And what season are we in right now? Yes, right now we are in winter. So then after winter, we will come back and start over, and we will have spring. All right, boys and girls, that was called Every Season. I'll talk to you soon.